here we are. SINA just now hit 74.51. So they just released their quarterly earnings, obviously, which we haven't got the number. The stock is still up on the day, and at 74 by 76, we can see that we just hit a low of 74.26, and where that number went down in value on the Chinese ADR internet stock. So basically, this is where that after hours print is printing 74, just hit down here at 73. So I'm going to keep everyone posted. We're going to find out what SINA did and what could possibly be the problem. Remember that SINA had ran up all the way into its quarterly earnings report, and now we're right back down here to 72.80 in SINA, Chinese ADR. One thing about the SINA earnings that we have found out is that the report isn't really bad. They got a non-GAAP revs of 162 and to 162 point to 167 million, which is an okay number. The beat by 1 penny at 47 cents. Okay. The actual GAAP revs were 197, meaning 197 million. Okay, non-GAAP revs of 192.3 versus 192.23. So the stock had ran up anticipation of a great report. So basically the way that we see it is that it simply have given up the gains from its intraday rally into these earnings, and that the high was exactly 78.49 on SINA. So just to make it more visible here, you can see that the high was 78.49, the low was 74.6. So it's a Chinese ADR, and we're seeing that these numbers are coming down considerably in SINA, which will also affect BIDU. It will be sector related as stocks go down in the sector. So we're taking a look at Baidu, and we're going to take a look at it. So we're getting very aggressive selling right now in SINA. And we had shorts out there, but we know we're not going to get hit on the short side because we had some of our guys get hit, but our shorts were up there based on a very good report. So once again, we just hit $70 and we bounced like a rocket to 71.64. So as we go through and hear more about what the conference call is going to be, it's going to be a great gauge for SINA, which is now printing at 71.50. It had ended up $3 on the day. 72.95 was the previous day's close. Basically, we are below the previous day's close of 72.95 with the high 78.49 and a low of 74.60. Stay tuned. We're going to figure out what the story is totally on SINA.